I think I'm getting that pre-summer itch where I just want to turn all of my clothes into summer clothes. So today we're turning this midi skirt into a mini skirt and these joggers into jorts. This is literally the easiest tutorial ever, so make sure you keep on watching to see how we do it. Starting off with the skirt, I'm just so not a fan of midi skirts anymore. They make me look shorter than I already am. This is what it looks like at the moment. So I'm just gonna grab my tape measure and mark down from the top of the skirts, my waist point, down to where I think I want this skirt to sit on me. So we're laying our skirt on a flat surface and then I'm taking my tape measure and chalk and I'm just marking from the waist point down to the length that we want that skirt to be. So I want mine to be about 15 inches. I did add on seam allowance afterwards, but I'm just marking on one side of the waist and then the other side of the waist. Then we can use like a ruler or a French ruler, whatever you have, just to connect those dots. Now we're just grabbing our scissors and we're cutting along that chalked line. We're just trying to make sure that cut is as clean as possible. Now we're just gonna mark along the new hem of our skirt using about 1/2 inch seam allowance. I'm just doing that all the way around. When I tell you this tutorial is so easy, guys, we're not actually stitching it on our sewing machine. We're going to be using a leather tape instead, and all you need to do is stick that sticky side down onto the back end or the back side, whatever you want to call it. So we're just sticking it all the way around until those ends meet, and then we can clip off where it does meet. And then what we're going to do is peel off the other side, so that white side of the leather tape, to reveal the other sticky side of it. I have sped this up, but you do want to take your time when doing this, just to make sure that you aren't sticking your fingers to the tape where it doesn't need to be, or sticking the tape where it doesn't need to go. But once you have to peel off that white part, we're just going to fold it up by 1/2 inch and just press all around that hem, just to make sure that it's secure and in place. I don't know if it's just me, but I really don't like the way cuffed joggers look. They just hug my legs in all the wrong places. That's why we're going to turn these into jorts instead. So again, I'm just taking my chalk and I'm marking on myself how short I want these jorts to be. And then we can take it onto a table. I kind of did a rough marking when I tried this on, so now I'm doing a proper marking just to make sure that it's neat and even on both sides. The last thing we want is uneven legs, so I'm just taking my chalk and I'm marking from the tape measure rather, and I'm marking from my waist down to how long I want these jorts to be. Bearing in mind I'm adding on seam allowance as well, and I'm going to do that on the other side of the leg as well. This one I'm going to use 1 inch seam allowance instead of 1/2 inch seam allowance, because I do want to do like a double rolled hem, just so we're concealing any raw edges that might show. Now I'm just taking my scissors and I'm cutting along one leg just on that chalked marking. Then what we're going to do is we're going to fold these joggers in half, and I'm trying to make sure it's completely lined up because we do not want uneven legs. And I'm going to use that first leg as the basis for where we are cutting the second leg, if that makes sense. Just doing a quick try on to make sure that I'm happy with it before we hem it. I like kind of how it's sitting at the moment, bearing in mind I am going to do a rolled hem, so it's going to be a tiny bit shorter than it is at the moment, as you can see, but I think I'm happy with it, so we can hem it. So we're back to our table, and I'm just gonna take my tape measure and my chalk, and I'm measuring 1 inch and then 1/2 inch, an additional 1/2 inch around both legs. I ended up doing like a 3/4 inch hem, so I'm just folding it by 3/4 and then folding it by 3/4 again, because we're doing a rolled hem. And then as I'm folding, I'm just going to clip it in place just to make sure that when we go to our sewing machine that it's easier to stitch. If you do want to make your life easier, you can press it before you stitch it. That's just going to make it easier to actually go around and hem it, or you can skip that step and do what I did. I just did a straight stitch all the way around for the hem. I'll put the stitch settings on the screen in case you do want to follow that. So this is the reveal. This is what these shorts came out looking like. As much as it might look a tiny bit uneven in the last clip, is actually the same length, and I'm definitely gonna wear this outside in summer now. And then this is what the skirt came out looking like. Let me know if you prefer the old version or the new version. I'm definitely going to be wearing this skirt this summer as well. I do think I made it a teeny bit too short, but I think we're going to work with it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and make sure you check out this video next. Bye guys.